Hello, guys, and welcome to MS Tech Insights, your go to channel for all things Microsoft. I am Sigar Dave, and in today's video, we are diving into an easy step by step guide on how to use pre filled answers in Microsoft Forms. I will show you how to get it done in just a few clicks. If you are ready to boost your productivity, let's jump right in. So, right now, I am in Forms for the Microsoft Forms, and I'm going to click on this new form and provide a name to this new form as pre-filled data, right? And provide a description as test. And I'm going to add some choice fields, choice questions with some choice as an answer, like question one, which will have two options. Okay, so I'm going to add another field that is question two with two options into it, like option one, option two, and option three. Okay, and let's add another field that is question three with three options. Okay, so the next thing what we want to do is when we go into these three ellipses, we will have this option of get pre-filled URL. When I hit this URL, it says like pre-filled answers are disabled for your audience. Enable the switch to add pre-filled answers and generate the link. When I click on this, I will have an option to select my automatic field answer, right? So for example, I have these three option one, two, and option two selected. I can clear it from here. When I select this option one, it will be available as a pre-filled answer, and I can click on this get pre-filled link button to have a link for the answers. So now the link is copied. Let me go and paste it in here. So one thing what I want you to see in this, let me do one thing, is this equal sign where we have the answers for each of the questions. So let me just copy this and open one of the website for encoding and decoding the links. So here is the website. If I go and paste that link here and click on decode, what we can see from here is there is one GUID, right? That is one ID of the form and one GUID for each of the question and selected answer for that. Okay, option one, option two, and option three, option two again. Let me open browse as guest, right? And let me paste this link in here. It will ask me for the login for Microsoft Form because I haven't made this form as anonymous user, and I'm going to add one of my dummy user in this with the password, right? And let me just go and sign in. So as you can see, when I open the page, I see the pre-filled options available in here. I can go and change the option and then submit it. So that will help a user with saving some data, right? This user is also the organization user, so that's why it displayed like this, right? But if I don't want them to see it, we can use this way, right? The get free field URL and the options are disabled until we go and enable this pre-filled answers toggle button. Okay, so yeah, and when once we make that toggle on, we can select the answers which will be available to the end users. Let me just show it one more time. When I go and copy this link and open it again, in these new options are. So yeah, that's a very quick introduction about how we can use the pre-filled URL in the Microsoft Forms that will help the end user to save some time when they are filling for the obvious options as an answers. I hope you like this video, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe and see you in the next video. Thank you so much.